My dear viewers, you are most welcome. This is Algebra Ready to Mathematics channel, and tonight we are going to learn about how we can determine the point of intersection of the lines graphically. That's why we have our subheading as the graphical determination of the point of intersection of lines. This is lesson 5 of our topic, simultaneous equations, and we are on the last method that we can use to solve simultaneous equations, which is now the graphical method of solving simultaneous equations. So we say that for us to solve simultaneous equations graphically, this is what you have to know. If two or more lines intersect or meet, then at the point of intersection, they have the same coordinates. It's important to note that in order to find the coordinates of the intersection point, we obtain some coordinates using the two equations. Plot them and draw their corresponding lines. The point where the two drawn lines meet is then taken as the point of intersection, and it's the same as the solution, the variables in those equations. So we have examples here, and there are two parts. We have part A and then part B. So let us now dive in and see how we learn how we can draw the lines given the equations and then determine the point of intersection or the solutions to the two simultaneous equations. And if you are on this channel, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video, like and share. Let us now have the response or the solution to this. We have our solution, rather the response, and we are going to go thoroughly through part A of our question. And the question is, find the coordinates of the point where the following pairs of lines intersect. And for part A, we have our equations, which are the y equals to the 2x minus 1. We can name this maybe equation 1. Then equation 2, we have the y equals to the x plus 1. We can name this as equation 2. So the procedures say that we determine some coordinates using the two equations, plot them, and then draw their corresponding lines. So let us now begin with equation 1. We need to obtain some values of x. From equation 1, we are having our y being equal to the 2x minus 1. So let us have some x variables or values, and then you have y. We ask ourselves, how are we going to obtain? We get some 2 points that we can plot. So take, if x is equal to 0, then what is our y? So that's why we said for x equals to 0, what is our y value? So as we substitute in this equation, our y value is going to be equal to the 2 multiplied by our value of x, which is 0, take away 1, implying that our y equals to negative 1. So we can now substitute in that when x is equal to 0, y is negative 1. What if when x equals to, let's try maybe equals to 4. What is our y value? Equal to. That's why it's putting here 4. For x equal to 4, what is our y value? So still we are going to say that y equals to, from y equals to the 2x minus 1. Substituting for x equal to 4, we are going to have our y equals to the 2 multiplied by the x, which is 4, take away a 1. As we simplify this, we are having our y equals to, this is going to be 8, then 8 take away 1, we have 7. So for when x equal to 4 in this equation 1, y equals to the 7. So having obtained that, it means that so far the 2 points that we have obtained and we have to plot them, so as I said, points to be plotted, that is for equation 1, 0, negative 1, and 4, 7. So let us work out for equation 2. From equation 2, which is the y equals to the x plus 1, we also want some variables of y of x, so that we get some variables of y or the corresponding y values. So for x equals to, we can say maybe equals to the 2. What is our y? So for x equals to 2, what is our y value equal to? So we are saying that from still y equals to the x plus 1, as we substitute in, we are going to have our y being equal to the x, which is the 2, then plus 1, giving us our y value to be 3. So when x is 2, the y value is 3 according to equation 2. Then let's take an example. If x is negative, let's say negative 5, what is our y value? So for x equals to the negative 5, our y is going to be equal to the negative 5 plus 1. So y equals to negative 4. So in here we have to put a 4. Then the points to plot for equation 2, points to be plotted, we have to plot the 2, 3, and negative 5, negative 4. So having got these points that we have to plot, then the next step we need to go and we need to draw the Cartesian plane and plot these points, draw their corresponding lines. Then from there we shall determine the point of the intersection of the two lines. So let's have the Cartesian plane drawn. So we have our y-axis and then the x-axis. We can label them that this side is the x-axis. Then the y-axis is this way. Don't forget to label them. Then from there, let us plot points we got for equation 1, which are, we have to plot 0, negative 1, and 4, 7. So 0, 0, negative 1. 0, negative 1 is specifically here. We can put in brackets. This is 0, negative 1. Then we have to plot still 4, 7. 4, 7. It is here. This is 0.4, 7. Then let us first draw this line for equation 1. We have to bring the ruler. We need to draw the line, the straight line, joining through or passing through these two plotted points. Then we get our ruler and draw a straight line through passing through these plotted points, like the way we are drawing. Having drawn that, then we need to label the line. So this line is the line y equals to the 2x minus 1. Then we need to go ahead and plot the coordinates for equation 2, which are 2, 3, and then negative 5, negative 4. So we have 2, 3, it is here. We have 2, 3, then negative 5, negative 4, negative 5, negative 4. It is here. This is the negative 5, negative 4. Then from there we bring our ruler and draw a straight line through them. So we bring our ruler and draw the point of intersection in there. We draw our line for equation 2, which is coming to be this line, drawn in green ink. So now having drawn the line, let us label it that this line is for equation 2, which is y equals to the x plus 1. So having gotten these two equations, then we need to trace and determine the point of intersection of these two lines. We can see that these two lines intersect at some point here. Let me zoom in to see very well. So these ones are intersecting at 2, 3. So this is the point of intersection, this one here. The two equations, or the two lines whose equations are given, are meeting at this point. And this point is having coordinates 2, 3, whereby the x-axis value is 2 and then the y-axis value is 3, implying that in here the value of x equals to the 2 and then the value of y equals to the 3. In the same way, you try out part B in the same vein, and please endeavor to drop your answers in the comment section. I'll supplement on them. And if this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe to the channel Algebra 2 for more mathematics videos and lessons. See you again next time. Goodbye.